Hi Amar, this is just a quick video response to help you with your tumble dryer that's not turning. Now you've sent a message in with regards your Candy GVS C9DG-80. Now this tumble dryer is basically the capacitor is at the back of the machine and it's a bit of a nightmare to actually gain access to it. Now I've identified the capacitor on your model and it's a 7.5 microfarad I believe, and the genuine part number is 41039-164. And I'll put a link onto this specific page to this video response to you, and it's in the description below. I've also managed to get you the wiring diagram on the machine for future use, and also the workshop manual with exploded diagrams of every component on the machine. So you've got a full list of all the spares you ever need. Basically, the front front panel's got to come away. You're going to have to take the lid off, take away the front panel. That'll expose some screws behind here. Take the plinth off at the bottom, and you're going to have to remove the whole front of the machine to gain access to this. Now I have done a specific video on these type of dryers and how to dismantle them, and the link is on that page as well to the video. It will only take you approximately an hour to do all this, but I do recommend you can sometimes squeeze your hand all the way down to the back of the motor to get the capacitor off. But what I would recommend you doing is actually removing the drum, because it gives you much better ease of access to the whole machine. And while you're doing it, you're going to be able to do something that not a lot of people are doing enough, which is maintenance. All that fluff and lint that builds up in the machine needs to be removed. And you wouldn't believe how much fluff and lint will be actually in the motor itself. And this causes the motor to overheat and cause problems in the long term. And by cleaning out all the ducting, your machine is going to work a lot more efficiently in future. Anyway, I just thought I'd do a quick video response to explain to you. Link is in the description. Thanks very much for sending your question in, and I hope you're able to get your tumble dryer up and running again. Thanks very much.